Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chocolate mousse dessert. To begin, gather your high-quality dark chocolate, fresh eggs, granulated sugar, and rich heavy cream. Ensuring all your ingredients are at room temperature is key for a smooth mixture. Have your mixing bowls and a reliable whisk or electric mixer ready. This initial preparation sets the stage for a truly delightful and airy chocolate mousse experience, making the entire process much more enjoyable and efficient. Next, let's prepare the chocolate and egg yolks. Gently melt about 8 ounces of your chosen dark chocolate using a double boiler or carefully in the microwave. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Now, slowly and carefully incorporate the warm, melted chocolate into the egg yolk mixture, stirring continuously until it is well combined and smooth. This step creates the rich base for our mousse. Now for the crucial aeration steps. First, whip 1 1/2 cups of cold, heavy cream until it forms beautiful, soft peaks. In a completely clean, separate bowl, whisk 3 egg whites until they reach stiff, glossy peaks. The trick here is to be gentle. Carefully fold the whipped cream into your chocolate mixture, then gently fold in the stiff egg whites in 2 or 3 stages. This preserves the air, giving your mousse its signature light texture. Finally, it's time to chill and enjoy your creation. Carefully divide the airy chocolate mousse into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl, depending on your preference. Place the mousse in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for at least 4 hours. This is essential for it to set properly and develop its full flavor. Before serving, you can garnish with elegant chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or a delicate dollop of extra whipped cream for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.